This players. This is old. Today I'm going to learn 5 senses and you name them with me. Number 1. Sight. Number 2 is TV. Number 3 smell. Number 4
Taste.
tongue.
Number 5.
Touch. Skin. We use our eyes to see the world around us. This color red and black. This color green. This color yellow. Yellow and orange. This the color blue and red. Bye-bye. See you next time. Is help us yourselves. We can hear loud sounds. Music and even people talking. That's part 2. We use our nose to smell things. Perfume. Our tongue tells us these things. Sweet. Sound is sound. Our skin tells us to feel things. I feel something hard. I feel something soft. I feel something hot. I feel something hot. Thanks for helping me. Singing 5 senses. Bye-bye. See you next time. See you tomorrow. That's all. Thank you.